Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss some important extensions that will be very useful in your online teaching and that will save a lot of your time. So I am going to discuss two extensions here. The one will be a Google Meet extension and other will be a Chrome extension. So first I am discussing about the Google Meet extension. The name of this extension is Push to Talk extension. This extension will save a lot of your time by giving the control of your microphone to the spacebar key. Friends, sometimes when we are taking or conducting a meet by using laptop or desktop computer, we have to use our mouse to click on the microphone button to mute or unmute it. Sometimes it takes time and it may be annoying when we have to give a quick response to any question and we have to unmute our mic quickly. So friends, we can do it by using the spacebar key if we install Push to Talk extension in our Google Meet. So how can we do it? First of all, we have to go to the Google Chrome web browser. We will go to the Chrome Web Store and we will add this extension. I have already added. So I am just showing you this is a Google Meet Push to Talk extension. By clicking, I am removing it so that I can show you again. Add to Chrome and it will be added in seconds. You can see it at the top. This is the icon. If you don't see it here, you can go to the extensions and you can pin it. It will come at the top. So friend, now I am moving to the Google Meet. Before using it, first of all you have to mute your mic by using microphone button and unmute it. Now we can use it by using the spacebar key. Friends, you can see when I press the spacebar key of my laptop, the mic is muted, and when I again press the spacebar key, the mic is unmuted. So we can use the spacebar key to mute or unmute the mic quickly. One more thing, there is one setting that is the mute on join. When you click on the extension, you get the settings, and when you click on mute on join, your mic will be muted every time you start a meeting. So you can opt this option if you want your mic to be muted on the starting of any Google Meet. The other extension that I am going to discuss is Google Docs Quick Create. Google Docs Quick Create. This extension is useful as it helps us to quickly create Google document, spreadsheet, Google form or painting. Otherwise, we have to go to the our Google Drive to opt these options. But by using this extension, the option will be available at the top and we can use it quickly. Add to Chrome. This is the extension Google Docs Quick Create. Add to Chrome. Add extension. The extension will be added shortly. You can see. So I'm taking a new page, and if I want to create a Google form without going to Google Drive, what I need to do, I will use this extension. I'm taking it at the top. I'm clicking it and you can see all the options are available. I can just click and create a new Google form. Suppose I want to create a spreadsheet. I will click here again this extension and new spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet will be available. So it is a quick way to create Google documents by using this extension. Otherwise we have to go to Drive and it takes time. So friends, these two extensions, I think you will use it in your online teaching and it will save your time, and you will like it.